we are covering today is very simple. What I'm trying to do here is practice the basic first 5 strikes. Okay. So we are following a 12 pattern strike. So with a short stick, I can strike in 12 different ways. So here what I'm going to do is, as I'm close to 6 feet tall, so I'm keeping around 11 to 12 inches of gap between my legs. Okay, and slightly the toes are inwards. There is a slight bend in my knees. From here, what I will do is, I will do the strike number 1. So strike number 1, either you can start from this position or you can start from here. So when you start from here, it's the same thing. I'm just going up, taking it behind me, and then going 1. So this strike number 1, if you consider a clock in front of you, it will be going from the digit 1 to 7. So if I show you again, so it is going up, so it is 1 to 7. Again, from here I turn the stick, I make a circle, come up here and go from digit number 11 to digit number 5. From here I'm going to turn, circle, and then I'm going to go
5 to 11.
5 to 11. So this is strike number 3. Again circle. From here I'm going to go strike number 4,
7 to 1.
which is 7 to 1. From here I drop and I stab. This stab is towards the solar plexus, or you can change the position of this, or you can even go towards the face of the opponent. So this is the first 5 strikes which you have. So here I will do it in one go. So this is the front angle. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you are doing in the beginning, you always keep the other hand close to your chest. Once you have a habit of opening up your hands, you can go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you see here 5, this is the basic 5 strikes here. So you practice this just by first standing, then you can also start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way you go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this was in a straight line. I can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this, I can
rotate
go in different angles to make my legs move around. Now I have to move around, otherwise I am a sitting duck. I am a sitting target for my opponent. So how am I going to learn how to move around? I can move around when I am hitting. I can move around when I am hitting. So this is how I can change the angle. So now from here, if I want to hit someone behind, I know what to do. So I go like this. Or same here. So I go 6. So this is how, when you start moving with this strike, so it's not a physics, it's not like you have an inside triangle, outside triangle to move. This is a free flowing movement where you learn how to move with the stick. And when you're moving with a heavy stick and doing the same attacks, it will become easy for you when you're doing it with the lighter sticks. Okay. So this was for practicing 1 to 5. Now we will see another drill in which you learn how to change your hands. So how you change is, you go same. So you go with your left hand, you go 1, you do strike number 1, and then you do strike number 1 again with your left hand by changing. So you replace the stick on the other side. So now strike number 3 will be from down to up. 3, Now again replace, again go 3. So this, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow. 1, change. 2, 3, and 4. This also you can do by moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Same thing, you can change angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Start.
So this is how you practice the changing of hands. From here to this angle to this angle, and again this angle. So this is how you practice this part. So this is a combination where if you just want to practice not much and you can just want to practice the basics, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. You do it slow and then you can also do it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. You can increase the speed also, or you can just practice 1, 1, 1, 1. So in this, you are learning how to put the power behind the strike. Okay. So these are the basic things. The simple things you can practice at home just by standing in front of the mirror, or you don't need too much of space. Inside a space of the 5 feet by 5 feet, you can practice. Okay.